Hi, my name is John Seifert and I'm the president of Informa, which is the parent company of Channel Partners. As you know from attending the Channel Partners Conference and Expo over the years and or utilizing our website, etc., a huge focus of ours is to try to help you do your job better. Well, and when you think about what that job looks like as a solutions provider, a VAR, an MSP, an agent, an integrator, etc., a big part of that job is your business planning. Sometimes that's happening on an annual basis where you're sitting down and you're thinking through what the growth opportunities are for your business with your customers. Other times that's happening quarterly or monthly. Other times it's spurred by a conversation with a customer who trusts you and what you bring to the table and asks for your advice or your opinion on what else they should be doing. Well, what's interesting is that business planning or those customer meetings, what have you, always lead you in one direction: an opportunity to expand your business. Could be an expansion into a new vertical industry like retail or legal or healthcare. Could be an expansion into a new solution category like security or the cloud or unified communications. Whatever the case is, your first step when you start doing that process is to talk to some of your peers, other partners, VARs, etc. Go to a trade show like Channel Partners Expo and Conference that takes place in Las Vegas, or the Cloud Partners show that takes place in Boston, or other shows that are out there, so that you can get a feeling and a look into who all of the vendors are that play in these categories, and who some of your peers are currently utilizing as the solutions that they're bringing into the marketplace. Well, the only problem with this scenario is that Channel Partners only takes place once a year in the spring, and Cloud Partners only takes place once in the fall. So you're in a tough spot for the rest of the year to be able to do some of that exploration and discovery of what those solutions are and how they could play into the vertical industries that you're working in. I'd like to welcome you to Channel Partners' newest innovation called Vendor Locator. This site has been built specifically for the partners. In fact, as you're doing that business planning, thinking through those new solutions or new vertical industries that you want to go tackle within your business, the Vendor Locator is an incredible place to start. Built with search engine excellence, when you come to the site, you actually see that you're enabled to search a database of the universe of suppliers out there in the marketplace in the IT category, communications category, security category, cloud category, etc. All of those enterprise IT and communication solutions. You can actually come here and you can search by company name or vendor name. You can search by vertical industry to see who has specific solutions within the vertical industries you're working in. You can search by solution. So what are those solutions? Is it security, cloud infrastructure, etc.? And you can search by geography to see which of those organizations are based here in the States, what are their exact addresses, which are coming from overseas, like some of the very large software companies and telecommunications companies that have gone from Europe or Asia and now building a presence here in the States. Whatever the case is, whatever you're looking for, the beauty of the Vendor Locator is that as you're doing your research, you can come in and find your answers. Understand who the organizations are that you can be working with, what their solutions look like, and also an explanation of what their partner programs are. In many cases, so many of the different organizations that we work with all have different scales and programming around what they do for their partner programs. This is going to be one spot where you can come in, learn what you need to know about doing business with A company, B company, or C company, and then follow up with them directly with our Request a Meeting button that's available on every single one of the pages that each one of these vendors would be owning within the Vendor Locator. Also, on their Vendor Locator pages, not only will you see their location and the technologies they have and some of the partner information, etc., you'll also have links directly to their site, links to an email specifically from that organization, most likely to one of their channel managers or their channel chief, and the ability to interact with those individuals specifically through this Request a Meeting button that's available on the site. Learn more by exploring through the site. Spend a little time with it, check it out. This tutorial hopefully gave you a little bit of perspective and context around how this can help you do your job better, and I look forward to seeing you at the Channel Partners Spring event as well as Cloud Partners. Thank you very much.